Hello everyone, my name is Ruchira and I am the designer behind FunLurn. I'm happy to have you here. Today we are going to create a quick card using these rubber duckies right over here. So it's going to be an all year round card kit which you can use for multiple occasions. I have a lot of sentiments around here which can be used with these firecrackers. Let's get started. I'll take you to Cricut Design Space. Over here, I'm going to click Upload Image and find the files. Okay, for you, the files will be where you have stored them. If you're interested in finding these files, I will linking them in the description below. Okay, so I have this entire card kit over here. It includes all the sentiments, the base of the card, and the sentiments, the inlay. Okay, I'm going to click Upload. Next, I'm going to click Upload Image again, and I've also included an envelope with it, so that will be right over here. And there we have both of these things, the card kit and the envelope. So I'm going to click the card kit and say Add to Canvas, and it will bring everything on here. So you can see a lot of sentiments are here, and these two black things are actually the card base and the inlay. So I'm going to click Ungroup again. I'm going to ungroup everything, okay, so that we have it. Now I'm going to select this black piece and select white, so that will help us see it. And then I'm going to select this black piece and click white, so again you'll be able to see it. And then I'll go select this one, go send to back, okay, and then I'm going to select this one and right click and send to back. Okay, now I'm going to select, I'm selecting this part now, the card base. Okay, over here, this one I want to cut, so I'll just select white, and it's cut already. And I'll just let this sentiment be here because it's my husband's birthday on 2nd, so I'll just use this card. And this is all set for me. You can choose any other sentiment. There are a lot of sentiments which go with firecrackers. So it's you and I together, we are like firecrackers. You set my heart ablaze with your love like firecrackers. Let's get lit like firecrackers. Wishing you a year full of sparkles, joy and firecrackers. You light up my life like firecrackers. Congratulations, together you both are like firecrackers. Sending you love, hugs and firecrackers. Happy New Year. It's time for firecrackers, and on your graduation, let's celebrate with firecrackers. So it's a lot of sentiments that you can select. Okay, I'll just let this one be here, and I'll select everything else and click delete. This part for me is ready. Oh, but I have to select on your birthday, like this part, right? This one. If you're confused, just toggle the I button and you would know. Just select this and change it to pen, right? Now this part is ready. I'm just going to select everything and click attach. There we're done. Now coming to this part, the inlay. Over here, I'm going to select firecrackers from here. Okay, first this attached part, I'm just going to just put it away. And rest of the things we'll just see. So let's check these duckies. These are to be drawn. I'll be coloring them later. So I'll just change to pen and let it be black. Over here, the text firecrackers is right over here. This one also I want it to be drawn, so I'll select pen. There we are. Next, these fireworks, I want them to be orange, so I'll just select them, change pen and change the color to orange. Next, all the hearts, I'm going to select them, change the color to red. Sorry, not basic, pen. Change the color to red. Very, yeah, that's cool. Next, the stars, I'm going to select them and change the color, change it to pen and then the color to yellow. Yeah, yellow. Okay, and then we're set. So just checking, the card inlay is to be cut. It is basic cut. The ducks are to be drawn, and rest all is also to be drawn, so it's all pen. And this text firecrackers is also to be drawn, so we're all fine. Select everything, click attach. I'm going to click make it and now it's going to find my everything on my mat. So what I'll do is I'll select this one and I'll click these 3 dots and click move object and click new mat and just select it on the mat and confirm. So there we have it now on 2 mats because I'm going to use different papers for these 2. Okay, then select this one again and click continue. Okay, here I'm going to choose heavy watercolor paper because my paper is thick, the one that I'm going to use. And the pressure is more, and let me just show you on my craft table the paper and setting up the mat, okay? And then I'll take you to the machine and there we'll start the operation because its button is blinking and it's ready. So next I'll take you to my table. So here's a light rip mat and I'm going to use this paper with it. There we are. Now it will ask me to insert the pen. I'm going to click the pen and just press the flashing button. For some machines it might be a play button now. For mine it's a C button. Now I'm going to check if it has cut it well. Just insert my spatula and it has cut it well. So I'll just unload. Take you back to my table. And here, I'll just roll the card mat and take this piece out. The rest also I'll take away and prepare the mat for the next operation. Again, so over here I'm going to cancel the cut. Oh no, I want to do this one. So continue, and again over here I'm going to choose heavy watercolor paper again, pressure to be more, and then this is the order of the colors that it is showing me, that it will start with yellow, then berry, then orange. So it has to start with a black pen and clamping. And next it is ready and flashing, so I'll take you to the machine. Insert. And press the flashing C button. I'm going to remove this, remove the rest of the paper, and here I'm simply going to fold it. It says, on your birthday I got you, and then I can stick this right inside. And it will open up to say, Fire Quackers. Envelope and add to canvas. Now, this also has a set of sentiments that can go with the envelope. So currently I'll just ungroup everything and show you. This also I'll ungroup, okay? This I will right click and send to back and change its color to white so that everything else is visible. Now this I will keep waddle to. I'll select this and change it to pen. Next, I will select keep away from water because I think that is cute. and I'll choose pen with it, and rest of the two I'll just remove. And I'll just show you what they look like. So this one is, it says this side up, okay, and this one says contents may be hot. It looks like this, okay. And then I'm going to select everything and change, like press shift and turn it like this at 45 degrees. So now I can make use of my paper in a better way. So select everything, attach, and we're good to go. Click make it, select the position on the mat, click continue. I'm going to select heavy cardstock, heavy watercolor paper. I've changed the settings to this one. And that's it. I'll take it to the machine. Over here, I'm going to insert this. And I think I would want it in red color. So I'll just put red color in and press the C button. Okay, let me take the envelope out, slide over here. This is how I do it. I first put the card in, and then I gently, like because my card stock is thicker, then I gently just put it on top. This makes sure that the envelope has enough space for the card to get in. Then I'll just use the brayer to stick it. And there we have it. Waddle 2. On your birthday I got you 5 Quackers. Yay! And if you like this card, I think you would also like the previous one that I did. It was a beautiful butterfly card, and I will link up to it as well in the description below. If you're interested, you can take a look at that video as well. And that's about it. That is the video that we did today for this. Why is it invisible? Because it's yellow and the green screen is on. Okay, so we made this beautiful card today, which you cannot see. It's made of paper. Hot cards are made of paper. Okay, so we did this beautiful card today. I hope you loved it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Have an awesome 2023, and I'll see you again. Bye.